Welcome to Spectrum, a unique platform where every voice matters, every story inspires, and every thought finds a place to shine. At Spectrum, we believe in the power of diversity, creativity, and self-expression. Our mission is to provide a stage for everyone to share their experiences, ideas, and passions, transcending boundaries of age, gender, caste, religion, or profession. What Spectrum stands for: S Science, P Psychology, E Entertainment, C Coding, T Travel, R Real-life experiences, U Updates, M Money and Management. What is Spectrum? Spectrum is a space where we explore a variety of topics: science, psychology, entertainment, coding, travel, real-life experiences, updates, and money management. If you've ever felt like you want to learn a little bit of everything, or if you have diverse interests like me, then this is the perfect place for you. It's not just about one thing, it's about the big picture. The spectrum of knowledge, ideas, and experiences that we can all share together. Why I started Spectrum. So, why did I start this channel? Well, I've always been someone who loves learning and sharing what I find with others. The world is full of so many fascinating things, from how our brains work, to how we manage money, and even how the universe came to be. But I noticed something. A lot of people struggle to find simple, easy-to-understand content that covers these topics in a relatable way. I wanted to create a place where everyone, whether you're just getting into coding, interested in psychology, or curious about the latest in entertainment, could find something for them. A place where we could discuss and learn together, in a way that's not too heavy, not too complicated. Just real, down-to-earth content. How it's going to be. Now, how is this channel going to work? My plan is simple. I'll upload new videos daily, with content that's both engaging and informative. Each day will have a theme, focusing on a different niche. Some days we'll dive into the mysteries of space, other days we'll talk about ways to manage money better, and yes, we'll have fun with entertainment content too. I'll make sure to keep the content varied and fresh, so there's always something new to look forward to. The goal is to keep it engaging but also educational, so you're not just watching videos, you're learning something useful too. Whether you're here to get inspired, or pick up a new skill, or just explore a new area of interest, I want Spectrum to be a place that adds value to your life. Closing. So, that's the big picture of what Spectrum is all about. I really want you to be a part of this journey. If you've got any ideas, topics you'd love to see covered, or questions, let me know in the comments. This is as much your space as it is mine, and I can't wait to build it together with you. Call to action. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when new content drops. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.